Hello everyone, welcome to Electro for You. My name is Shubham and today we are going to do a program on character to binary. What I mean character to binary? So suppose I given a character S. I want its binary format as a output or a string Shubham. I want each character of my string into a binary format as a output. So what I did here, before going forward to a program, I am doing this program in Java language. So let's start. So first I taken a input from user. So suppose user input Shubham. Okay. Now I want each character of this string into a binary format as a output. So what I first I taken a empty integer array of string length. So string length means this is my string, and what is the length of this string? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this integer will look like this: 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Why I am taking this empty integer? Because I want to convert each character into a decimal format, so it's easy for me to find the binary number of decimal. Okay, so I taken a for loop and looping each character and convert it into ASCII decimal number. So this is a function used in Java to take character from a string. So first character will be S. I added it into 0, so it internally implicitly convert this character into ASCII decimal value. So suppose Shubham's S ASCII value is 83. Okay, so it store at the 0th position 83. So like this it will store each character ASCII decimal value into this array integer. After this I output to show you the integer value of each character. Okay, now after getting the integer value of each character I am going to convert each character decimal value into a binary format. So suppose first character decimal value is first character nums of I 83. So 83, so I use while loop here. 83 is greater than 0, so what I get? 83 modulo 2 is equal to 41. Okay, is equal to 1 because the remainder after modulus 83 is 1. Okay, and I store this one into this string. So this string contain 1. Now I divide this 83 by 2, so what I get? 41. Okay, so 41 is greater than 0. Now 41 modulo 2 is equal to 1. So now again I added into this string, so it concatenate and add into this one string 2. Now 41 modulo 2, what I get? 20. Okay, now 20 greater than 0, yes, 20 modulo 2 is equal to 0. Now 20, this 0 will be added into this string, that means concatenate with this string and again 20 divided by 2, what I get? 10. 10 greater than 0, yes, so 10 modulo 2, what I get? 0. This will concatenate with this string, and now I divide that 10 into by 2, it will get 5. 5 greater than 0, again while loop check, 5 greater than 0, yes, now what I get? 1 here. 5 I'm getting here 2. Now 2 greater than 0, yes, what I am getting? 0. 2 divided by 2, what I am getting? 1. Now again check, 1 greater than 0, yes, 1 modulo 2, what I am getting? 1. 1 divided by 2, I am getting 0. Okay, so 0 greater than 0, false. False. So I outputted that binary format of this integer. So basically same happen with the other decimal number which is stored in the num integer array. So let's see the output. Okay, so I input Shubham. Okay, so 83 binary number is 1100101. Like that, H decimal value is 104, ASCII decimal value is 104. Now its binary format is 0001011. Basically let's do with other character. So let's take one character only. So C decimal value is 91 and its binary format is 11000011. So this is the way to convert character or string into binary format. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.